Now that we've deployed our application, let's go ahead and take a look at IAM really quick. So I'm in the AWS Management Console. I'm going to go ahead and in the search bar, I'm going to type in IAM. And then under Services, I'm going to go to IAM. So this gets automatically created for us when you first create your first project. But I do want to go ahead and I want to show you this really quick. So if I go to Roles and I just type in CodeStar, we're going to see here that we actually have a few roles. So the first one is the AWS CodeStar service role. Then we have the Python Cloud Skill Formation, right? And then we see a few different ones here for the web app, for the tool chain. So these roles are going to get created for us. That way, AWS CodeStar has proper access to things like EC2, for example, to deploy the application. So if I click on one of the roles, for example, for the web app, which is pointing to EC2, we can see here that if we go to permissions, there's this CodeStar worker backend policy. And then if we go ahead and we look through this, we can see that the action is for EC2. And then we have another action here for S3 get and list. And the reason why is because all of this code and the CloudFormation stack and all of that, a few things are actually sitting in S3 for us. So if I go to the S3 portal here, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to refresh. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to filter CodeStar for the bucket. And as we can see here, we have our Python Cloud Skills pipeline. And if we scroll down a little bit, we have one object. We're going to go ahead and we're going to open that directory. And as we can see, there's these files here that make up our AWS CodeStar build. So these IAM policies give us access to a few different places for S3, for EC2, or really wherever you're deploying your application.